Hello random YouTube watchers, welcome to Random Garage, the channel where we're always doing something.
What's going on?
Shop Night Edition.
Today on Random Garage we're headed down the road to another Random Garage that happens to be also headquarters of Whiskey Barrel Ice Baller. I'll link that down in the description below. We've got a number of projects over there, just a few random projects to do. It is shop night.
Let's go.
Yeah, my guess is when you turn it off, whatever that hooks to is not working.
So, what do you need?
Torques.
There's some torques, there's some torques, there's some torques.
So where's it losing connection?
It's right here. There's a metal tab. I bet you that wire is broken off of that tab. Got a metal ground strap right here. And below there you have a metal ground. So right now, it should be grounded out.
Or do you want to check continuity on that ground strap?
So we have perfect continuity between that and that, right? So that means the switch is fine, but the wire that's on the switch that grounds this piece. So what we got to figure out is,
Where is it and where does it belong?
yeah, pull the filter off.
Well, that's a ground strap right there.
Yep,
So,
yep. Yeah, I'm trying to see how the carburetor comes out here.
I hope it runs when you're done. Hey.
So the switch has got to be pushed in like
Oop.
that.
This is the ground right here. That's the ground that we're having trouble with right now.
That's the chassis end of that ground wire.
Yep.
From the chassis ground screw spot
Yep.
to the engine block.
Yep.
No continuity. So there's something missing. The continuity, we had the screw out of there and you checked it from the screw boss down in here to the engine block. Of course, there was no continuity there because the screw actually just goes into the threads here.
We need to check continuity
There
from
should be
there.
continuity from there to the head of the engine.
Yes. So we have continuity, but it's very light. Oh, I need to put these screws back in here.
Or should we get some sandpaper or something and clean all these connections off?
So I don't know what this ground is for.
The nut on the inside here, I'm getting contact. Oh.
Gotta get in this somehow. Oh, got it. Right there.
Where's that washer go?
Oh, good question.
Spare parts. That died on its own. Oh, it worked!
So, like, out here, it's fine. when you touch that. But if I move this connector out to the outer part of the stud, we get nothing. So it's corrosion in. Try it. Okay, yeah, you're getting that.
Just take everything apart, clean it, put it back together, and it'll work. That's what Monty just did with the chainsaw.
Yeah.
It was just a matter of corrosion. We just took it apart, put it back together, and it worked.
But the stud that's going inside the motor right here,
Yeah.
it's got power. The inside where it should be, it's probably corroded underneath these terminals, huh?
Yeah, look how rusty this terminal went.
I had it off.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. No problem. Let's get that off. Is there corrosion? It's pretty.
There's
Not too bad. It's
some,
not bad.
I don't know.
I think we'll take both off. There we go. This thing will jumpstart a V10 diesel. Okay. Why won't it go?
Ron?
Yeah, okay. That overrides the safety. Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing.
This thing doesn't lie. This thing doesn't lie. Get your video?
Concrete driveway. That's what happens to your snowblower slides.
Oh, well. No wonder that doesn't work.
Uh-huh. Because it doesn't work.
That's in great shape. I had greased that bearing a while back, and the rotors spins free in here.
Yeah.
Brushes look good enough.
Yeah, they're brand new.
And that's clocked. See that? It's got a tab on the end that just fits into the winch housing, so that can go kind of anywhere. The stud's got contact, but the nuts don't.
Yeah, because somebody
But you fucked
welded
at the end
the
of it now. We have to
threads
do
together
that.
here.
Because it looks to me like it should go
Yeah. Okay.
right there.
But this is all corroded and shit.
So I'll take it to the.
You gotta put it on the wire wheel.
Put it on the wire wheel. I mean,
When I found it, it was sitting on top of that.
rusty too.
Over this
them out.
thing here. You know, gonna spring
Make
it,
that flip back.
Can't
Here is
control
the
there.
lock with the choke lever here.
but it doesn't go down.
this son of a bitch, I had this thing hooked up to the RV for like 10 minutes and my truck, it wouldn't start. Hook
take
this
the
up.
spring
It's like,
Really?
it's like, yeah. At Random Garage, that's how it roll, that's how we roll.
We'll just
Send it.
close it now.
I got a lot of projects lined up.
But our insurance company said we can't advertise for that.
Just needed to be cleaned and reinstalled.
Yep. So,
Did he lose the nuts? Are they hiding?
we have them.
Cleaning their nuts.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are sanding washers.
And the washer. I thought they were
We are
copper.
sanding a 7-cent washer.
It's a lot quicker than going to the store to buy a new one.
That's the Canuter valve.
Okay. Yep.
What, are you trying to make a switch?
No, I got one. It's just putting a switch inside instead of having the external. Trying to look where I can go through here.
Find a hole for the wire.
There's one down below there. See the red one going in?
Oh yeah.
There's a hole on this side. It's pretty easy to get at. Right under this. Right here. We'll poke it through right next to that other wire.
You got it. Oh, let me get my hand down there. All right.
Pull it all the way up to the solenoid battery area.
Yep. There, we're good. So that camo's faded. That's not the real color.
It is. It's got the mud and the sand.
Oh, almost.
Yeah. Oh, he actually has leftover wrap. Yeah, that's what I thought. 3 color.
Yep. Got a little more color to it.
Down on the cable.
In as far as you can go.
There's a stack of nuts like this tall.
Yeah, my hand once I clutch was about 1/2 inch from the floor. The rest of the travel was just for show. Yeah, pretty much. Good too. I could just leave my heel on the floor and I could just.
Switch it.
Yeah, pretty quick. It was only 2-speed though? German automatic? 3-speed. So, my dad's best friend's kid had a German automatic. It's a 2-speed. He had to shift.
With that thing on it on our way back from Fargo, I was getting 10.8 miles to a gallon.
That's fantastic.
Gauges got to come out. That's about it. Just the gauges, the ignition switch. That's it. Gauges, ignition switch. Yeah, pull this stuff out. That's some cool old stuff. That around the hydraulics. Ooh, and the steering yoke needs to come out. The bolts are broken off.
This gauge will not come out until the stud up in there comes out. Here's the other one. Stud in the back's in the way.
There you go, Jess, there's your price.
So close.
Oh, we're gonna get all fancy now.
What do you think? Something about like that wide?
Yeah, that should be good.
And we'll just measure that. I can't read this. Grab that tape measure, please. Yeah. And we're at 10 1/4, 5 1/8. Perfect. Right here. Yeah.
Snowblower skid plates.
That's what I was getting at.
Final product.
Yeah, it's
Cut wheel
last a
grind.
while now.
But half of them are foggier than the ice we get in the lake.
It works great. How much are they? It was like $70. Oh.
If you want to see more random garage things, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and whack that notification bell so that you get random notifications when a new random garage video is posted. Thanks for watching, and whatever you do, make sure you're always doing something.